Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another emoji in Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the embarrassed emoji. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. So we're gonna start out with the eye. So just draw in two lines, and this is gonna be the bottom of the eye, or the eye socket. Okay, and then from those two lines, we're gonna draw a circle, almost like a semicircle. And then once we have that, we're gonna draw in another circle inside. So this is, I guess this would be his eyeball. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna extend this circle down here. Okay, so it shows a little bit more the eye socket. So just kind of come down. And then let's see, let's draw in the nose just since it's really easy. So you can just draw two lines like this first in the middle. And then we're gonna curve this one out. So same thing here, just curve it out and hook it back in. And let me shade that real quick since it's gonna be black. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in the eyebrow. So the eyebrow is important because it needs to be slanting down with a curve. So just start up here and just kind of drag it right over the eyeball. And then once you have that, we're just gonna give it some thickness here. Just come up. Okay, and let me draw in the other ones first. So the other one's gonna be slightly different. I'll go a little bit higher. Just curve it down. So go up, and then we gotta curve it down again. Just kind of taper it in on the corner here, a little bit thinner. And then let me shade it in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, so once we have this, we're just gonna draw in the skull. So we're gonna start, let's see, we're gonna start on the side here. Just kind of go up. Okay, so all the way around the eyebrow, and then we're gonna extend this line. So it's gonna be a little bit straighter around to the nose area right there. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in his mouth. So for his mouth, he's got a little bit of a curve here. So on this side here, right underneath the eye, I'm gonna dip down, and then I'm gonna come back up, and then I'm gonna dip it back down. Okay, and then from here, draw two lines, kind of come in a little bit, so it's a little bit slanted. And then on the bottom, we're just gonna close it off. Okay, and then now we can draw in the rest of the skull. So from this point here, we're gonna curve this inward. Here, go in, and then come back out. And then for the bottom, we're just gonna draw one nice curve. Just connecting that. Okay, and then now we can draw in the mouth area, the teeth. So for his teeth, you can draw in right here. You can draw in the middle, a little bit of curve. And then from the corner here, we'll just go up to the side. Almost to the corner, but leave a little bit of space. Alright, and once we have that, and I'm just gonna shade this in, since I'm shading in the other part, this will make it look a lot better. Okay, and then there's gonna be some black, almost a little rectangles. I'm just gonna fill in a few of them, or 4 of them. And there's some more on the top, so just draw in a bunch of little rectangles all the way around. Okay, and then lastly, he's got a little teardrop right here. So on the corner, just kind of come down and just curve it. And then I can draw in a little circle for the highlight for the tear. And then we can add in a little bit more detail, like for his lip down here, just one line across. And that is it for this very simple to draw embarrassed emoji in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.